Hi there, Sarah here from Scattered Pictures Art, and I have another vintage style journal to share with you today. This is a 8 by 5.5 inch journal with a 1 3/4 inch spine, fabric cover over recycled card, and it's 60 plus pages, and it's using a kit from Artie Mays called Butterfly Delight, which is really pretty. I'm calling this one Amitié, which is French for friendship. The theme is friends, so the cover has this gorgeous, gorgeous floral fabric and some beautiful lace. This is open so you can tuck something in there. And I've left the edge of the fabric. I love the frayed edge there, so I left the edge there. Back is just plain. Also left the lace open here for a tuck. The closure is eyelets and some sari silk. Let's go inside. There we go. And this definition can be removed if you want to change it, so it's not permanent. Oops, fix that. It's just inside the front cover. It's lined with unbleached muslin. And there's lots of little snippets in this journal as embellishments, and some bulb pins with little tiny glass beads. So pretty. This is a free printable from Tsunami Rose, and it's sewn onto coffee dyed index card, coffee dyed doily, and some vintage doily lace collage there. This page from the Artie Mays kit, and another little snippet embellishment and a pin with a glass bead. And I've printed off these vintage photos of women for friendship, and they're backed on coffee dyed paper, so they're throughout. There's also some quotes throughout this. Friendship is born at that moment when one person says to another, "What? You too? I thought I was the only one." And that's from C.S. Lewis. Coffee dyed doily is a tuck with a little altered Rolodex card, a little banner piece from the kit, a piece of coffee dyed paper, lace, and a pin collaged on there. Coffee dyed paper, flip down with some ledger paper, and a ticket from the kit with another little snippet collage there, cheesecloth, lace, and a mini safety pin with a glass bead. Some Edith Holden glassine bag with a little journaling card from the kit. Another page from the kit with just a little embellishment of a ticket with some lace and cheesecloth and another little mini safety pin and bead. Some tassel trim, page from the kit, the ribbon card embellishment from the kit with a little snippet embellishment, another pin bead, tag from the kit on coffee dyed paper, coffee dyed graph paper. The center of the signature has this envelope, the large journaling card sewn onto coffee dyed paper, and I did print the inside of the envelopes so that they're not plain. Another quote, a little sewn seed packet just clipped on here with an altered paper clip. So it's got a banner cut from ledger paper, a banner from the kit, and a little bit of coffee dyed paper, lace, and another pin. This has some beautiful decoupage napkin on it, and a shipping tag coffee dyed with another quote. There's nothing better than a friend unless it's a friend with chocolate, Linda Grayson. That's true. And this has lace tab with a little key charm. Another glassine bag with the mason jar journaling card from the kit. Just some washi decorating the bag. Edith Holden, a little side tuck, another picture, and a tag from the kit. And little embellishments down here, a little snippet with a pin and a bead and a ticket from the kit. Coffee dye doily. Here's a side tuck with some paper folded envelope style, just tucked into a ticket from the kit. Okay, that's the back of the first signature. Start of the second. I love these papers, they're so beautiful. Another quote. Pocket from the kit with the journaling. Oh, it's a double journaling card and a tag. Doily. Another page from the kit. Ribbon card tuck with another little snippet and a little envelope. Whoops, what's that? Folded envelope from the kit with, oh, it's some paper folded Regency style, so it's just tucked in there. Put that back later. Another of the sewn little seed packets with another coffee dye tag. It's the friends that you can call up at 4 a.m. that matter, Marlene Dietrich. And decoupage. Another side tuck. Another picture. They look like they're having fun. Coffee dye paper. Tag from the kit. And another little embellishment with a ticket from the kit and some lace. This is a Prima ledger paper, and I've added this pocket watch charm, which I have, put in the beautiful little rose punch out. That's from a Graphic 45 paper, so, and with glossy accents over the top. It's just on a lace tab. Here's the center of the signature, so it's a double pocket. I've added some pearl beads to the end of the strings for this one. Coffee dyes guest check, another picture, and a tag on that same ledger paper sewn onto coffee dye paper, and each of the pocket has the coffee dye doily and a little snippet decoration with bulb pins with some glass beads. I'll bring that up so you can see. Pretty pretty. Coffee dyed library card pocket, coffee dyed library card, and I've left this open so you can tuck something inside. So here's a little double journaling card from the kit. Flip up, flip down. Decorated with a ticket and some lace, coffee dyed paper and a pin. Another quote, some more of that tassel trim on a page from the kit. Doily. This is an envelope from the kit with a journaling card, a double journaling card. I'll just do that later. And it's glued just along the edge here to make it a tuck. There's another little altered Rolodex card. End of the second signature, third signature. Beautiful paper. A little side tuck here with another piece of coffee dyed paper. Tucks in under the ticket there. Coffee dyed doily. A long bookmark from the kit with a lace tab at the top. Sewn onto coffee dyed paper. It's just clipped on here. Another quote. Edith Holden. Pocket from the kit. Just a little piece of coffee dyed paper for journaling on, and a tag from the kit. So this is open behind the pocket, and then this goes in the pocket. Another mason jar journaling card. The other side of that glassine bag. Another page from the kit. Here's the third lace tab, and it has a little, can I get that in frame? A little tiny grandfather clock charm. So cute. And another photo. A side tuck here. And then I just used tickets from the kit and a tiny little booklet here with some cut-offs from the coffee dyed paper, so that's cute. Just tucked over there. Center of the third signature has another envelope, another journaling card, some more of the tassel trim, glassine bag with some more washi, and another photo. Look how fun. Another quote at the top there. Edith Holden. Another decorated paper clip with the banners and the lace and the pin. And this is a fold out. It's a little accordion fold on some ledger paper with the bookmarks sewn down the edge there. This is a free printable from Tsunami Rose. It's just held closed with the decorated paper clip. Coffee dyed doily. This is an envelope from the kit, and it's actually a flip down, so you can journal behind it. And it has the matching journaling card. That's just attached with some washi. And the last page, another pocket on the back with the snippet embellishment, small journaling card from the kit, and a tag. And then the back is the beautiful fabric. Okay. So this will be available in my Etsy shop, which I will link below. And so pop over there if you're interested. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye!